Now I will introduce you how the vacuum cleaner work use the compressed air. You can see we already connected the vacuum cleaner to the compressed air. Now you can see this value. When it's 0.628, the vacuum cleaner can be work. It is already reached 6. Now I let the vacuum cleaner to start work. Okay, this is the switch. You can see. Yes, the suction is strong. Now we test the vacuum cleaner suction. We test the suction. Okay, open. This is the switch. Yes, the suction is strong. Okay, close it. So, such a small vacuum cleaner with a very powerful suction. These parts are the accessories or standard for this vacuum cleaner. Now I will show you how to connect the spare parts to the vacuum cleaner. First, this is the hose. The length is 2.5 meters. This is the connector. Okay, I will connector. First, here. 拧上，这里有个卡子 ，it's okay. And another one, so this short connector. Now the hose connect with the vacuum. It's okay. It can run, can roll. Okay. If I start the vacuum, the suction will be, it can work. Now, I connect with the nozzle. This is the small nozzle. Now, work like this. And now I change to the brush, this small brush, like this. It can work like this. Okay. This is the floor brush and the tuber. How to connect her? First, this one. Okay. It's okay. Now it can clean the dust on the floor. Okay.